Tũikihoka aria marakorirwo magitabania ciĩko icio makorwo makinyitwo na makinyũkĩrio makinya ma kĩwatho. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ Kiama kia arutani bururiini kia Knut nigitariirie itemi riao ta anyiti itemi harĩ gutwarithia nambere mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC, makahinyiriria gukuranwo nĩ thirikari nene thĩinĩ wa mihang'o ĩno, na agĩthũrima gĩthurano kĩnini mwena wa gucia thutha wa kũhurũka wĩra kwa maabitha a rũhonge rũu mwena ũcio. Munini wa mũgĩkĩgĩna bururiini niwe Mohamed nĩranĩire ũnyitanĩri na kamĩtĩ ya mũtongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ĩrĩa ĩrathũrima ũkinyanĩria wa mutaratara wa githomo gĩa CBC gũkũ bururiini nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra o mwana nĩakorwo akĩgiritania na githomo gĩkĩ.
CBC generally, let me thank the presidential party, working party on education reforms. So far they have given us the report. It is in public domain and we are happy with that report as a union, because a lot of issues that were previously handled singly by the Teacher Service Commission are now coming out to be shared between the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education. Like for instance, if I am to mention the CBC. The CBC was initially run, the show was run by the Teacher Service Commission, but in the recommendation now, it is the ministry which is going to take a major role, including payment of allowance to our teachers. So, and then number two, as a union, we are happy that most of our views collected during those the committee's time was also all included in the reports. And I want to tell the Teacher Service Commission to avoid issues of membership. The constitution is very clear. Teachers have their choices on membership of the union. Teachers have the right to choose any union they want. So we want to appeal to all the stakeholders. As a union, we believe we are stake owners in matters of education. And we are happy so far this report has cleared some of the doubts and some of the problems that existed in the teaching fraternity.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ